Today's video is called Sarcopenia over 60, eat this to build muscle fast. And the thumbnail says, eat this, build muscle. Right away, you might be wondering, can I really build muscle at my age? Or is it too late to stop my body from weakening? If you've noticed your strength slipping, struggling to lift even light objects, or feeling more tired just walking around the house, you're not alone. That's exactly what sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, is quietly doing to your body. But here's the big question. Why do some seniors seem to keep their energy, strength, and confidence, while others lose muscle despite eating protein or exercising? Could a few overlooked foods be the key to stronger muscles and more energized days? Or could missing certain nutrients be secretly sabotaging all your efforts, letting muscle waste away faster than you realize? Today, I'll reveal the surprising foods that can help you fight muscle loss, the small tweaks that make a huge difference, and why ignoring them could leave you weaker, more prone to falls, and frustrated with your body. By the end of this video, you'll see how simple changes can start reversing years of muscle decline, safely, naturally, and surprisingly fast. Let's take a moment to understand why muscle matters more than ever after 60. Muscle loss isn't just about looking weaker or struggling with stairs. It's a silent health crisis affecting your independence, balance, and metabolism. Did you know that by your 60s, adults can lose up to 3–5% of muscle mass each decade if nothing is done? That may not sound like much, but even a little loss can mean the difference between walking confidently around your home or needing support for everyday tasks. Weak muscles don't just make movement harder, they raise the risk of falls, injuries, and longer recovery times. And it's not just physical strength that suffers. Energy dips, mood swings, and confidence can all take a hit when your body is shrinking quietly. Here's the good news. Sarcopenia isn't inevitable. With the right foods and simple strategies, your muscles can regain strength, your joints can feel supported, and your energy can return to levels you may have thought were gone for good. In this video, we'll show you exactly which foods help rebuild muscle, the small diet tweaks that make a big impact, and why these changes can make your body feel younger, stronger, and more energized, starting today. You might think, if I just eat more protein, my muscles will grow. But the truth is far more surprising and a little alarming. Many seniors over 60 follow their daily protein routines, believing it's enough to fight muscle loss. Yet they still notice strength fading, energy dipping, and aches lingering longer than before. Why does this happen? As we age, our bodies don't absorb protein as efficiently, and timing, type, and food combinations become more important than ever. Some focus on lean meats, eggs, or protein shakes, but miss the hidden allies in fruits, vegetables, and nutrient pairings that actually trigger muscle repair and growth. Imagine doing everything right and still losing muscle. The frustration is real, and it can feel discouraging. Here's the catch most seniors don't realize. Knowing which foods amplify protein's effects, which combinations accelerate recovery, and which simple tweaks reverse years of decline is what really makes the difference. Stick with me, because in the next module, I'll reveal the specific foods and combinations that could transform your muscles, even if you've struggled for years, and show why skipping them could quietly make your body age faster than you think. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. Which foods can actually help rebuild your muscles and fight sarcopenia after 60? You might be surprised. It's not just about protein powders or meat. Some fruits and vegetables hold hidden powers that seniors often overlook. Take leafy greens and colorful vegetables. They're loaded with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and help muscles recover faster, even after light activity. Berries aren't just delicious. They help protect muscles from damage and boost strength when eaten alongside protein. Everyday veggies like broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots act like fuel for your muscle fibers, supporting growth and keeping you strong. Here's the secret most seniors miss. Timing and combinations matter. Eating these foods with your protein meals ensures your body actually uses the protein to rebuild muscle, instead of letting it go to waste. Imagine doing everything right, but skipping these simple foods, no wonder your muscles aren't improving. Stick with me because next, I'll reveal the magic combo of foods and simple tweaks that can supercharge muscle gains, helping you feel stronger, more energized, and more independent than you have in years. You won't believe how small changes can make such a big difference. Now we've reached the moment you've been waiting for, the magic combination that can help your muscles grow stronger, faster, and more efficiently after 60. And here's the best part. It's not a secret supplement or expensive shake. It's simply about pairing the right fruits, vegetables, and protein so your body can actually use them. Imagine starting your day with a breakfast that pairs lean protein, like eggs or yogurt, with antioxidant-rich berries or spinach. That combo doesn't just feed your muscles. It reduces inflammation, repairs damaged fibers, and sparks your body's natural muscle-building response. Add colorful vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, or carrots, and suddenly your ordinary meals become powerful tools for strength and recovery. Timing is key. Eating these foods alongside protein at breakfast or lunch ensures your body absorbs nutrients efficiently. Skipping this combination, you risk weaker muscles, lower energy, and frustration with your body. But done right, you could notice stronger legs, firmer arms, and more confidence in daily tasks within weeks. Stick with this consistently, and you'll start to feel what it's like to reclaim your strength, vitality, and independence, proving that age doesn't have to define your muscles. Let's wrap up everything we've discovered today about fighting sarcopenia and building muscle after 60. Remember, losing strength isn't inevitable, and it's not just about eating protein. The key is knowing which foods truly support your muscles and how to combine them effectively. Pairing antioxidant-rich berries, leafy greens, and colorful vegetables with protein at the right meals gives your body the fuel it needs to repair, rebuild, and strengthen muscle fibers efficiently. Timing is just as important. Eating these foods alongside protein at breakfast or lunch ensures your muscles benefit fully, turning ordinary meals into powerful tools for recovery and growth. By making these small, consistent changes, you can slow, or even reverse, age-related muscle loss, protect your joints, and feel stronger and more confident in daily activities. Imagine the difference: walking upstairs without strain, carrying groceries easily, or simply feeling more energetic and independent in your body. Sarcopenia might seem unstoppable, but with these strategies, you hold the power to fight back. Start today, stay consistent, and in just a few weeks you may be amazed at how much stronger, more energized, and capable your body can feel. Now it's your turn to take action and see the difference for yourself. Think about what you've learned today. How simple foods like berries, leafy greens, and colorful vegetables paired with protein can help rebuild your muscles and fight sarcopenia even after 60. Don't just watch. Start adding these foods to your daily meals and notice how your strength, energy, and confidence change over the coming weeks. We'd love to hear your journey. Have you felt improvements in your muscle strength, balance, or stamina? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your story could inspire other seniors who are facing the same challenges, and your tips might make a real difference in someone else's life. While you're here, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more simple, natural ways to support your health, protect your muscles, and feel more energized at any age. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your body, rebuild your strength, and reclaim the independence you deserve. By staying consistent and curious, small changes can lead to big results. Together, we can build a community of seniors who feel stronger, healthier, and more empowered every single day. Start today. You've got this.